In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create taxes in Odoo step by step. Whether you're just starting with Odoo or are looking to optimize your accounting processes, this tutorial will guide you through setting up your taxes correctly and efficiently. To kick things off, you're going to want to locate and click on the accounting app from your Odoo dashboard. This foundational step gets us into the heart of our financial management aspect in Odoo. Here, you'll find all the tools you need to handle your accounts flawlessly. Once inside, the next thing you should do is navigate to the Configuration tab. The configuration area is where we set the backbone of our accounting settings. So head there next. Now, within configuration, look for the section called taxes. Clicking on taxes is crucial because it's the focal point for managing all tax-related matters in Odoo. Once inside the taxes section, you'll see the option to create a new tax. Go ahead and click on new. This will open up a new interface where you can start inputting all pertinent information for your new tax. In the interface that appears, you'll first want to type in the tax's name. Make it descriptive enough so that it's easily identifiable later on. Naming your tax clearly helps avoid any confusion and keeps your workflows seamless. Following the name, you'll need to decide on the type of tax. Odoo offers several tax types. Choose the one that best fits your needs. This selection ensures the system applies the taxes correctly during transactions. Next, select the desired tax scope. The scope of the tax defines when and where your tax will be applicable. Make sure you choose the option that aligns with your organizational rules and compliance requirements. Moving on, it's time to put in the desired percentage amount. This percentage will be what gets applied to transactions that this tax covers. Be precise with this number to avoid miscalculations in your financial records. Once you've added the percentage, go ahead and click on the Definition tab. Here, you can refine your tax conditions if needed. It allows for greater flexibility and control over how taxes are computed during various transactions. To unlock further capabilities, click on Advanced Options. This area provides additional settings that could be vital depending on your organization's specific tax handling. Finally, there's no need to worry about manually saving the information. Thanks to Odoo's autosave feature, all your hard work will be automatically saved as you progress. This handy feature ensures that none of your configurations are lost and you can move forward with confidence. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to creating a tax in Odoo. With these steps, you can set up and manage your business taxation more effectively, maintaining compliance and efficiency. Thanks for watching, and remember to check back for more Odoo tips and tricks.